Bertie!
Boo!
Bertie!
Boo!
Bertie!
Boo!
Bertie!
Bertie! Diddly-oten doten boo boo ba-deeten dun.
Boo!
Deep in the forest, there's a tiny little house. And who do you think lives there?
Boo! Boo!
Not far away is a very different house. A castle in the middle of a little lake. And who do you think lives there?
Bertie! Bertie! Bertie!
Now, Boo is a very kind girl. There's nothing she likes more than helping people.
Boo! Boo!
In the mornings, her job is rescuing things from trees. This morning, it's a balloon that's been blown by the wind and got stuck.
Boo-boo!
Go on, Boo! You can do it! Ooh, I can hardly bear to watch. Oh, phew. So now everybody's happy, and that's what Boo likes.
Boo-boo!
In the afternoons, Boo goes off to her second job, helping to clean up the mess at her friend Bertie's castle.
Boo!
Now, you may be asking, why would Boo's friend Bertie want to live all on his own in a great big castle? The answer is that Bertie is hiding from all the people who want to steal his secrets. Because Bertie, at least in his own opinion,
Bertie!
is the greatest magician in the world.
Bertie!
Boo!
Bertie and Boo are friends.
Boo!
But there is one thing about Bertie that Boo doesn't like. He's messy. Just look at this dust.
Bertie!
Boo!
Bertie doesn't want to help Boo to clean up his untidy castle. He's got another plan.
Bertie!
Bertie gets his special book. That's where he gets his ideas for magic tricks. What do you think he's going to magic today? Kites!
Boo!
Great fun on such a windy day.
Bertie!
Bertie's going to make one appear by magic. Inside his magic hat. But first, he has to do his special warm-up. Now to make the kite appear!
Bertie!
First came some sticks. That wasn't what Bertie was expecting.
Boo!
Next came some string on a little handle.
Boo!
Then some floppy plastic. They're all pieces of a kite. But does Bertie know how to put it together?
Bertie!
And what about Boo?
Boo-boo!
Bertie!
Can Bertie make it fly? So, Now, there's a problem.
Bertie.
Boo.
Bertie wanted to magic a lovely kite, all ready to fly, but he doesn't know how to put the pieces together.
Bertie.
Boo.
A nice cup of tea always makes Bertie feel better. Boo says her special magic spell and turns into Super Boo. Now she can work any magic she likes, even making the kite so tiny it can fit inside her pocket. Boo is on her way on her special scooter. A scooter so magic it can take her anywhere in the world. A wind farm.
Boo.
And what do you think makes those great big sails go round and round? That's right, the wind. That tells you how strong the wind is. These special wind machines make electricity for people's houses. Boo continues on her magic journey, and she arrives at the sea. And look out there, on the water. Sailing boats. That looks like fun. And what do you think makes those boats go through the water?
Boo.
You guessed it, the wind. Then Boo sees some children. And what are they doing? They're flying kites on the beach. Boo's going to ask those friendly children if they can help. All the pieces of the kite fit together, but you have to know where each bit goes. Luckily, these clever children know exactly how to do it. The children have assembled Bertie's kite. Now that's real magic.
Boo.
Using her special magic, Boo takes the kite back to Bertie's castle. Boo is back, and she finds Bertie still very sad, having a cup of tea. Boo secretly puts the kite under Bertie's hat.
Bertie.
Boo.
Bertie.
Boo.
Boo persuades Bertie to try the trick again. Bertie is giving himself a special gold star. The trick has worked. Bertie did magic a kite. Just as he always knew, he really is the greatest magician in the world. But was Bertie the one who really did that trick? Or was it Boo who was the magic one? We know the truth, don't we? But let's keep it a secret. Don't tell Bertie.
Bertie!
Boo.
Bertie.
Boo.
Bertie!
Boo.
Bertie.
Boo.